everyone. Today I'm gonna be playing some big paintball with my friend Ninja Puffs. So he's the red team. I mean, he's the blue team. I'm the red team. And yeah.
Okay, how did that guy even hit me?
Get him. Let me get him. How am I not getting these guys?
Yay, I need to get 3 long shots.
Got someone. Let's go. I have not played this game in so long. Ah, turret! Wait, I have 25,000. I think that's a little much.
And I have the perfect.
Wait, I can get the Tommy gun. I'm gonna save for the MT49. But I think that let's just keep with this, guys. Maybe next episode I'll have the MT49 or the. I think it's the LMG. So next episode I may have that. Yes, I want to beat up all the kids in this game. Oh, I see you. Is that you up there?
Wait, what? Hold on,
No!
don't shoot.
The stupid male with the scar got me. Wait,
Oh, that was such a good shot.
Ooh, our guy has a drone. That stupid person!
No, I got him.
The person keeps on killing me.
Nice, 5,000 credits.
Oh, I got someone. Let's go. Ah! That guy just has a silenced pistol and he got me. I was not looking around my corner.
No, that's unfair. Don't you just hate when people
Okay, he's camping. He's just firing with a turret over here. That's okay. Okay.
Coconut is a big nut.
We have a turret over there.
Oh, come on.
Our guy just got a lot of your guys. No! I hate that guy! Okay, I think this guy's actually hacking. I don't know, because he just has a silenced pistol. How much does he have? He has 14 kills. I mean, that's not a hacker stat. No. Okay, I think this Kalo guy, he has 4, oh no, wait.
Ah.
Okay, I am tired of this. I'm going on people. I should really get a better gun, I think.
I have the Tommy gun.
I can buy it right
and
now.
And I absolutely hate it.
I can buy it right now. But I want to do it for the, for like the LMG packages.
Don't buy the Tommy gun, it's really
I know, that's why I didn't buy it. It's a burst, isn't it?
Yeah, why would you let me buy this?
I don't know. I mean, I bought it on my other account, so I wanted you to see all the pain I went through. I'm just joking. Oh! What are you trying to do, man?
Honestly, I just wanted you to kill me so that I could switch my gun back.
Dude, in the red section, you can't get me and I just died.
I don't know how that happened, but I actually just tapped it, my gun, and I got a kill.
Boom, boom. Oh. I did not see you. I was aiming for the sky. No! No! Why you? Why? Don't you dare be over here. Is that you right there?
What? How did you...
Your gun was pointing out a little. Oh, I can now get a sentry. I'm gonna put it there. No, you're not getting my community this time. Oh.
Sam?
How?
By being good.
Okay, That person that's level 45, the scar, he keeps on getting me. Where are these people? Oh my gosh, there's someone right there. That's the person that camps. Did you see that guy with the science pistol that just aiming there?
Oh!
That guy camps.
Yeah.
Yeah, he keeps on killing us. And no one can kill him.
Got
It's actually not even fun. I would have gotten you. I was on the right of you. Somehow I didn't.
Will someone just take out my turret already? There we go.
Oh, that was yours?
The turret camping. Yeah, that was mine.
I just got eliminated by the same person. I leveled up!
What level are you?
Level 5.
Oh gosh!
I need level 5. I need to get to 33,000. Don't worry, guys. Next episode, I will get the new gun.
I completely forgot that you were even videoing.
I know. Who's that up there? Oh, I got someone up there! I got him! I got a long shot. Wait, that was you?
No.
Your drone's in the wall,
Might have killed you with my drone.
Your drone did kill me.
Pish posh.
Oh, I can get a drone. There we go.
How did I even hit that?
Oh, my guy. Or my turret. Oh, no, wait, you killed someone. My turret.
Man, that Scar girl is annoying me.
No! That person with the science pistol!
I hope we're on the same team next game. Are you gonna video next game?
Well, each round's like 15 minutes.
You know.
So, that's no.
Aw. Why not?
I don't know. This person keeps on using a science pistol.
Oh, do a long video.
Who just
I
killed me?
have trash aim.
I have 30 grand.
Never mind.
Wait, our money's in pounds. Oh, wait, that means I have like 90,000. Oh my god.
No. Because it costs pounds.
No, I just killed 2 people. And wouldn't have had a drone. Got him.
No. I hate that you can just barely hit their arm and then bam.
Okay, the scar's a little overpowered.
But it costs a ton.
Oh.
You have to grind.
Or you just buy Robux.
Or you just buy Robux.
Nope.
No! It's gonna get you. Oh, jeez, I have 3 radars.
I have, I don't know how much I have. I have 4. No, I hate you! Why do you have to take out my sentry?
Cause I can.
Okay. Well, at least you don't know where my other sentry is.
Yes, I do.
But I just got you. Oh, wait.
And now
Oh,
I
yeah.
have a sentry camping you guys, which is probably gonna get taken out. How did that even work?
Well, I was trying to get someone. Okay,
That even worked.
I got it. I got it.
Yes, he did.
No, I just.
But I have another one, and I'm gonna place it down.
Going up here, going up here. Got someone. And the person with the science pistol! Of course.
Yeah, aimbot. I'm calling it now. The person with the scar on your team has aimbot.
Oh, you guys
She wasn't looking at me. She was shooting forward, and then she shot me, and I was on her side.
That's the same with your guy.
Yeah, we both have hackers on our team.
Well, actually, I think it's just because the scars. Wait, I actually got you. I think because the scars are actually really good.
No, that's not it. She was shooting forwards, and then she hit me. I was on her side.
Oh, dude, I have an air sentry. And I have a drone. Wait, drone puppy! Oh my god.
Your skin should be a puppy.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, your turret. I need to get rid of that thing because I have a quest to destroy 3 of them.
Oh, would it make you? Oh, you'll be so mad at what I just did.
And so will you.
You got both of mine?
Thank you.
How did you get both of mine?
They weren't shooting at me.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I am not. They weren't shooting at me.
Well, now I have aim. No! I hate the person with the scar.
And I hate the person who just took out my sentry.
But you don't take my sentry, so.
And I took out Yo-Yo's sentry.
Okay,
Yo,
the person's.
my name is Yo-Yo.
Let's go. Let's go.
Level 9. Hey, Mama.
Go, I'm getting everyone. Die! No, that guy. Oh, dang it. The silenced pistol guy's back. He just spams. I hate him.
And the guy with the silenced pistol.
Well, dude, he's actually.
ruins your entire game.
No, you can check my recording. He has a drone right now, and he's like unstoppable.
Oh my god.
No, I hate him.
And I hate that I accidentally pressed C and then I was immediately killed.
Oh.
I wasted it.
Yes, our buddy got him. Let's go.
And I've got you. Let's go.
Well, don't worry, dude. I have 33 grand. Guys, you're gonna have to see next episode to see gameplay of this new gun. I'm
How did you take out my sentry?
easy. I was firing.
Well, I'm about to take out you.
Seriously?
At least the other guy got me and not you. I'm gonna try to take out a sentry from across map.
Is that you? Oh my.
Oh!
No, you're hitting my No, wait. Did my sentry just get that person? No, you're not getting my sentry.
I didn't.
Okay, someone has a sniper. That's just a little OP.
Ooh!
I got 28
I
tags.
beat you.
I got 5,000. Okay.
Ooh, let's go for...
Theme park.
No, bridge.
Okay. Well, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Next episode of this game will be me using the brand new gun. See you guys on next time. Bye.